Hi, this is Vladimir Gorcev. In this video, I will show you how I make money on economic news by using the news strategy. This trading system is one of the most accurate I have ever seen. You will find the complete description of the strategy, nuanced analysis and real-life examples of its use in my free trading course. The link to the course is in the description of this video. You will receive lessons automatically every 24 hours. You can study and test the obtained information with demo accounts of any brokers. I have trading accounts with several companies. In this video, I traded with my Quotex account. The links to the official website and the mobile app of the broker are available in the description of the video. The conditions of the broker are perfect for making money on the news. Firstly, there is an opportunity to buy options with a 2-minute expiration. Secondly, for the two currency pairs most often used for the news strategy, the yield is fixed during the open hours of the European and US markets. Now let's move on to the transactions I made when the news was announced. The news from the UK has had a strong impact on the market. You can see it right away. The price of the GBP currency pair races uphill. I use 1-minute charts for the news strategy. We are waiting for the candle to close, so that I'll be able to enter into a 2-minute short contract. Then we just keep track of how the transaction will close. Let me remind you that according to the news strategy, an option is bought in the direction of a correction of a strong momentum. In this case, the price impulse is directed upwards, so I trade in the direction of the price decrease. The price reversal is strong and the trade is closed in profit. A few minutes later, the price resumes its growth. The chart provides conditions for another entry. When the long candle closes, I enter into a 2-minute put option again. The price keeps on rising, so I am gearing up for a second transaction. When my $10 trade closes with a loss, I buy another option in the direction of the currency pair depreciation, but now for $30. During these 2 minutes, the market has been rapidly declining and there is no doubt that this trade will be profitable. The income from the second option is sufficient both for covering the loss of the first transaction and for receiving a net profit. Now we will see on the price chart how the market reacts to the announcement of another economic data. The price momentum shows a rise in price and I am preparing to make a trade at the close of the candle. The trade is made, and then we should wait for 2 minutes, watching what will happen on the price chart. During the first minute, the market fluctuates, the price at the close of the minute candle decreases slightly. During the second minute, the price of the currency pair goes down a sufficient distance in points, so that we do not have to worry. The price chart of the Eurist currency pair. As soon as the economic information has been announced, the price immediately begins to soar. This market reaction can be considered strong. Sometimes even the most important news can have the same impact on the market as, for example, non-farm payrolls. By the way, if you have not watched my video on how easy it is to make money on non-farm payrolls, then be sure to watch it. The link to the video is in the top right corner. Let me remind you that non-farm payrolls are essential economic data, which are announced once a month. The transaction, into which I entered for 2 minutes, as always, according to the news strategy, closed with a profit. We know when the news will be released in advance thanks to the economic calendar. I provided more details on how to use it in a separate video. To watch it, just follow the link in the top right corner. You can prepare in advance, open the price chart of the desired currency pair, and set a 2-minute expiration. As soon as a long candle closes on the chart, I enter into a put option for 2 minutes. A candle formed on the chart as a result of the release of economic data has a long body. This is a good opportunity to make a trade employing the new strategy. Unfortunately, the trade closes with a loss, but I was already all set to buy the second option. The second transaction in the series is in the same direction as the previous option. I do not change the expiration. The duration of the transaction is 2 minutes. We see that within 2 minutes the price of the currency pair has dropped significantly. The option closes with a profit. Here is the last piece of news I wanted to show you in this video. First, we wait for the market reaction to the news, and then we track down the candle on the chart. It is important that the candle have a long body. As the candle closes, an option is purchased for 2 minutes in the direction of correction. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wish you successful trades.